not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like me, then chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame bear more. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them. Hello, good morning, beautiful people. I don't know why it's like I'm headed to my wax appointment. So yeah, like I said, it's doubling as kind of like an interview, like an open interview. They wanted me to bring my portfolio. So I do plan on, you know, looking for a place to do waxing out of. Hold on one second. I already kind of have like my nail portfolio together for the most part, I'd say. Yeah, I'd say that it's together. Obviously it'll change as I get better. But they're looking also for a nail tech at the wax place that I'm going to as well. So I don't think they're going to be providing anything. They kind of just have like an area where I would do it. Just space like to my own thing, have my own creativity, have my own like vibe going on, because it's like a separate area from where the waxing is done, obviously. I'll see you guys when we get there. I really need some coffee. I don't think I have time to stop because I'm really like pushing it, but all right, so we have gotten to our destination. Is this the stop sign for you? Yeah, but of course you ran it. It's like, why wouldn't you? Thank you. Yeah, no. I started coming to them when I was in the military in South Carolina, in Charleston specifically. That's when I started coming to them, and I love them. I feel like they are so much better than other people. And yeah, so this is where I'm about to go. I'll see you guys in a few. I'm literally right on time, so bye. This is what it looks like. This location is right in Claremont. So I just left the wax. First of all, I don't know, like she hires some really good waxers, man. Like it's crazy how good they are at waxing. Like it's like the least amount of like pain to me when I go to her salon to get waxes. So can you see that? That's all water. Excuse me? So pretty. So anyways, I took like a cute little scenic route, low-key. So we're headed there. I'll let you know how that goes. I think we're going to be driving to St. Pete. We can go to the beach. Yeah. All right, I'll see you guys in just a few seconds. Hopefully I'll be able to like show you around the salon, maybe. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, bye. So I am at Walmart. I got my mom on the phone, so you might hear her in the background talking. I have her on mute because she's gonna keep talking. But yes, I'm at Walmart. I was gonna go to this nail spot, but I immediately felt the vibes when I walked into the nail salon. It looks like a chop shop to me. So we're at Walmart. But I got
got a couple of things. She opened my car. The soap that smells amazing. She buy it. My mom wanted that, so I got her those. And then I got some of these. Got a power cord for my nail stuff. Zip ties because they don't have any portable grinders, so we're gonna make it work. I got some moisturizer, gel moisturizer because it's amazing. Some of my soap I use, my body soap I use, so I can use have some good skin. And then look how cute these lashes are. I definitely don't need these. I'll probably put them back for future reference. Look at that, so cute. Ugh, love. So I don't really know what I'm doing in this time yet. I'm in the bathroom. I don't have this cute. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not considering that. But yeah, I'll show you guys.
Hey guys, just left Wally World. Now I'm gonna head back home. So on the way home, there's another nail salon that I want to stop by. I think it's called the Dollhouse, something like that. I want to see if they have any commission-based things going on for another nail salon, pretty much. So that's what I plan on doing right now. So I'm here at this nail bar. It's another nail bar. It's called Dollhouse Nail Bar. I'm going to check them out and see if they have any commission position openings. This is what they look like. Guys, that's what they look like over here. So that's where I'm at. Just about. Let's see. Fingers crossed. So that went really well. They actually were looking for a nail tech. They just lost their nail tech. Not lost them, oh my God, in the name of Jesus. Their nail tech moved to Virginia. Looking for one. They're looking for one to help with like pedicures and obviously acrylic because she's teaching people acrylic now, you know, but they're learning. But you know, I already know these. So excited. So yeah, they seem really happy. I'm happy. I think the commission split is 40-60, which that sounds great because they're also paying for everything. Like we don't have to bring anything, so that's a really good deal. And then they help to promote you and get your name out there too. So I got a couple of flyers that I'm gonna be handing out because like, obviously like, this just makes me so happy, you just don't know. If I show you guys my car, are you guys gonna judge me? Yeah, you are. It's okay. Look at all this crap. It's stuff down there. It's stuff over here. It's stuff all up and through here. There's drinks. There's more stuff over here. There's stuff in there. There's all that back there. You guys, why? I don't know why, but that's what it's giving right now. So yeah, just stay tuned. A lot of people be thinking that it's me that makes us late. She tells everybody too that I make us late. This be me and Aiden. Oh no, I didn't. Did you get him? Oh no. Didn't I tell you to book? Oh.
dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to stay, no. You broke it down the door.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make this clear.